Hey, what's going on, guys? Drafter MC here with Gully Gamer,
Hey guys.
playing with a broken controller, playing White Noise. Let's just get the game started, jump right into it. I don't know how to play
What?
this game, but we're gonna jump right into it and see what happens.
Dude, you look like Idris Elba and I look like Jonah Hill.
You mean Idris Elba?
Yeah, Idris Elba and I look like Jonah Hill when he wasn't on his diet.
Oh yeah, where he made what's that movie? Mid 20s, or no, not mid 20s. What am I
21 Jump
talking?
Street?
Mid 90s.
Oh, I don't remember that one.
Yeah, he directed that. All right.
Oh, what?
All right, I'm in the game. Here
Yeah,
we
I
go.
see you. You see a fat guy?
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright,
tense.
let's jump right
Great.
into it.
Yep. All right. So let's look. We gotta go this way for one of the things. I don't know what we're looking for, but apparently it's a thing.
We're looking for tapes, I think.
Oh yeah, tapes.
Uh-oh.
I feel it. No, we gotta collect nearby shards.
Shards. Oh, I hear that. You hear that?
Apparently it's right on us. Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got it? Yep.
Yep. All right, 2 remaining.
Oh, I found something.
What?
A statue.
Oh, hey. Circle to turn off our flashlight so it doesn't find us as quick.
Uh-oh, that means the monster's near.
All right, it says another shard is like right on top. Oh, I think it's. Yep, I saw it. I found it.
You saw the monster?
No, I saw another shard. Hey,
What
come
the
over here.
fuck?
Oh wait. No. Oh, yep, I see it. I
Here
see
I
it.
come! Oh!
I'm getting the fuck away from you.
Where did you go?
I left you, bitch ass.
Oh my god, of course you did. This is great. Now, you know what? You know, I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
Oh my ass, you're not
I
scared.
ain't,
I'm performing
no,
a
no, no,
ritual.
I'm literally not scared. No, forget this.
I have closed the rift.
Oh, you closed it? Okay, here, look. Let me go to where you are, because I think I know where you are.
Alright, let me click my compass, see where we gotta go. Alright, we gotta go forward. Oh, fuck!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I don't wanna die!
How do I get out of this?
Like that!
Yes, you got him. You saved me. All right, okay, okay. Where are you going? Follow me.
Getting the fuck away from you!
I'm out.
Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive.
All right, okay.
Holy shit!
We're not even playing this
What
game, man. We're
the
just going in circles.
Fuck! God damn it!
Oh, I can't breathe.
Ouch! Oh!
Ooh, oh, oh, that scared the shit out of me.
What happened to you?
He got me.
What?
The creatures got me.
Where are you, man?
What the fuck? Ah!
Here you are. This is freaking me the hell out. Up to you.
We don't-
All right, we got.
Okay, fine.
We gotta
follow
go
me.
this way. We gotta go this way.
Wait,
Oh, motherfucker.
I'm right here.
We gotta go that way, but that's where the monster spawns.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Okay. I don't know what to do, bro. Run!
Fuck! Fuck!
First. I'm good. I'm alive, guys. Don't worry.
Wait, where are you?
Over here.
No. far. Oh my goodness. Fucking shit, me. I can't do this. Yes, I can.
What? Okay. Oh my
Ah!
That's red. What?
The motherfucker just popped up on my screen, man. Just did a fucking Michael Jackson pose and shit.
Don't freak me out like that. Alright. Let's look for these clues, motherfucker. I heard something. I heard something. The fuck do I hear?
Alright, come on.
I'm waiting for my compass to reload so I can get the direction.
I found the tape.
You did? Where? Oh no, I can't see you.
Ah!
What? Where are you?
I think he's coming. Ah! He's fucking coming. Fuck this fucking shit.
Over here!
Hey Tim, found you.
Oh thank God. Okay, you lead the way, man, cause you keep leaving me. I'll just follow you.
Yeah, totally, yeah. Just follow me. Alright. Oh, fuck me. Oh no. Oh
What?
no.
What?
Alright. Now, trust me, are you behind me?
Yes, I'm right here.
This shit's about to get scary. For Mother Russia! Okay. I'm surprised I'm alive, to be honest with you.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
Do you have your compass?
He keeps
What?
popping up in my face. He keeps. You'll see it in my.
Oh shit!
No! I'm gonna save you.
That motherfucker! God damn it!
You're done. You're done. Is he done? Where'd he go? Where'd you go? Fucking hell! I've been not be by my motherfucking self. Oh hell no! You got me fucked up. You got me fucked up. Fuck! I'm so scared. Hell, I don't know where I'm going. Hell! Oh shit! Ah! How did you die first? No! Alright, okay. I can do this. I think I found one tape though. No, it's gotta be here somewhere. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. No.
I'm right by you.
Oh! Help! No!
I can't do anything for you, bro. I'm dead. I have no fucking arms.
Ah! I'm dead! Ah! Sorry, Louie, if I screamed.
That was fucking freaky. Holy shit.
Now my voice hurts.
I'm ready to go again, but... Oh, hey, look how you and me went. We're just like, okay, how many times do we split apart
We went
then?
in circles like probably
Like,
50
okay,
times.
see ya. Ah! We just ran. We're like, ah, fuck!
We didn't do shit! Oh, there's two of them!
Oh.
I think
Then
there's
look
two.
at me. Oh no, what happens? We're just walking in circles like, okay, we're scared. It's on the other side of the fucking map. And then, oh, where do I die? I die right fucking here. Ah!
Yeah.
And then you died.
Wait,
Look
that was
at that.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Well, that's it for that gameplay. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's just just us getting scared. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I'm still a little bit shell shocked from playing that, but we'll bring you some more gameplays like this hopefully soon. But in the meantime, see you guys later. I've been trapped.
And I'm Gully.
We'll see you guys later.
I love how it's... You are a fucking dick! You're an asshole! Fuck!
They had me as a ghost. What was I supposed to do?
I turn around, I see you as a fucking white thing, right? So I'm like, ah, it's the monster, but it's you, right? So I turn around, here's the fucking monster starting to choke me out. Like, god damn it.
I'm gonna pass out. That is funny.
You son of a bitch. Alright, so I think we can both agree, college, creepy as hell.